Okay, I got a rebuttal from my last video that says that this is actually a feature made by ice and that this is a feature made by the wind, and that my interpretation of this showing a continuous water current is actually incorrect. Now I'm going to refute that argument by showing you a feature that only water can make: river terraces. Okay, so this is the feature on a topographical map, and this is that river that cuts in between, right by the sediment lobe. Let's zoom in on it and see what we find. We find that this river has a bunch of terraces. Each of these terraces indicate the width of a river, and it shows the sequence of its recession. And now we can see that this river was once over 20 miles wide. And when we go to the east of this feature, we find that there are also a lot of river terraces and scours in this area, even features of cataracts. And this cataract feature is right next to river terraces that indicate a river width of 2 miles wide. This was a swift current that made a streamlined intermediary. And this feature here is a scour made similar to a plunge pool. These erosional features are too detailed to be made by ice and too catastrophic to be made by the wind. Now, if you're going to stick strictly to the ice paradigm, where glaciers carved all of this area, how are you going to explain this feature here? Because in order for ice to have made this feature, it would have had to increase its erosional force in a specific area and then lift up afterwards so that a valley is not created. This is focused erosion and is not something ice sheets or glaciers can do well. But with fluid dynamics, moving water has an undulating force and a coalescing force. It is these two features of fluid dynamics that is responsible for the scars you would find in a scabland area.